nice weather.
Take the exit on the right. Then, take the ramp.
Bless you. Ito yung Olympic.
Take the ramp. Then, take the exit on the right.
Okay. Ayun na yung station o train station.
Oo.
Tuscany yata yan. Tuscany.
Take the exit on the right.
On the right. Ayan, Tuscany station.
Ang layo naman ng train nandito.
Ayun, iba pa yan siguro.
Oo.
Ayun yung Tuscany. Baka hindi, nag-stop lang siya. Traffic lights. Ayun yun. Eh, dito na tayo sa Tuscany Station. Oh, nice. Tapos may palalap. 90 ka lang. Look at the houses here, it's nice. Big houses. Big houses here. Look at that, it's so nice there. Nice view in there. Still got snow on the hill, on the mountain.
Pero matatanggal yan.
Yeah, kasi it's cold in there, yeah. I don't want to get the car. It's bakery. That's 2 minutes only. I have to put like that. I want to see the. Kasi ayokong ipakita yung ano. Yung watermark verse pa. Just show the nice weather. Look at the sun. Look at the clouds. It's so nice. I don't like that sound of car, you know. Ayaw, yung ganun. Ayaw ko yung sound.
Honda yan. Ay, ako na.
Eura.
Capturing ang
That side, oh my goodness, it's so nice, the view, but too far away. Yeah, malakas ang hangin. Kung makita yung magandang view here. Malikot. Where's